Welcome to this YouTube channel. Now today we want to do this question that is asking us to construct triangle ABC given its perimeter as 100 millimeters and the ratio of its sides as 3, 4, 5. So triangle ABC given the perimeter and the ratio of the sides. So how do you do that question? So the first thing, draw line XY equivalent, so this point X equivalent to XY, so that's line XY equivalent to the perimeter you are given or you asked to draw. So in this case our line XY is 100 because you are told the perimeter is 100 millimeters, so our line XY is 100 millimeters. Then the next thing, divide this line XY in the ratios you are given. So divide this line into 12 points. If you add the total of these ratios, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So divide this line into 12 points. If you don't know how to divide a line into a required number of points, kindly check on my previous videos. We did that. So we want to divide it into 12 points. So if you count my circles, there are 13 because this the first one I'm not counting, that's my starting point. So this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are 12 points. Now so what you do next, we are given the ratio of the sides as 3, 4 and 5. So count point 3. So this is point 1. So count from there, this 1, 2, 3. So what you do, draw a line there at that point 3 parallel to the line we had, the final one. So point 3 is here, draw a line there. Also draw a line at 4, so that is 7 from the start. So 1, so let me indicate, this is 3, and now this is from this point, so you can count 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's point 7. And then the final one is at point 12. So those 3 points, draw lines. So once you do that, so these points, you can call this point, call it point A, or call it point A, call it this point A, and also call this point B. Now the next step, draw with center A. This is as your center A, and radius AX. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Can you see I've drawn an arc? Draw an arc there. Now again with center B and radius BY. Draw an arc. So where these two arcs intersect, call that point C. That's point C. Now join CA and CB. Now that is triangle ABC drawn given the perimeter and ratio of its sides. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.